Are you happy? I mean, do you have joy in your life? Not just your dating life, but in your life in general? Or are you just kind of numbing out, swiping on profiles, saying that you're dating, working all the time, and in a really kind of serious rut? And if that is you, it doesn't matter how much you think you're working on your dating life. If you're not happy, then you're really not present, and you're not going to really find a healthy relationship or even a partner for that matter. I want to give you 3 reasons why this might be happening. One is that you might have a tendency to be in your head a lot. You're analyzing everything. You're taking things too serious. Instead, just see if there's a connection. The second reason is that you're treating your love life kind of like running a business. Just take the time to take a deep breath, slow down, and be more joyful in the present. Number 3, maybe you have a hard time playing. When's the last time you actually laughed and had fun and spontaneity in your life? If you haven't, you might have to schedule that. I've done that with a lot of clients. If all of this sounds like you and it's really hard getting out of that rut, you may want to talk to me. I have a dating retreat that's going to spark some fun in your life. DM me.